In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a vertical photo panels effect in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, go to File and choose New to create a new document. Name it Vertical Photo Panels Effect. Set the document settings as shown in the video, and click Create. Now select the Rectangle tool. Draw a tall vertical rectangle on the canvas as shown in the video. Then click Make Shape. Next, double-click on the shape layer to open its layer style. Enable Drop Shadow. And set the drop shadow values exactly as shown in the video. Then enable Stroke. Set the stroke settings exactly as shown. And click OK. Select the Move tool. Hold Alt, then click and drag the shape to duplicate it. Create 4 more copies the same way. Slightly slant and reposition all the shapes as shown. Select all the shape layers, press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform, and center them on the canvas. Now select the top layer and drag and drop the subject image onto the canvas. Temporarily reduce the subject layer's opacity to 50%. Now you can see the shapes underneath. Resize and position the subject image over the shapes as shown. Once positioned, bring the subject image's opacity back to 100%. Hold Alt and click between the subject layer and the top shape layer to create a clipping mask. Then hold Alt and drag the subject layer to duplicate it, positioning the duplicated layer above the next shape layer below. Again, hold Alt and click between the duplicate subject layer and shape layer underneath to clip them together. Repeat this process for all remaining shape layers. After finishing the clipping, select the background layer. Add a gradient adjustment layer above it. Click on the gradient preview to open the gradient editor. Under Basics, choose Black to Transparent Gradient. Double-click this color stop right here to open its color picker. Change its color to dark purple. And click OK. Again, OK. Set Style to Radial. Enable Reverse. Set Scale to 200%. And click OK. That's it. You've successfully created a vertical photo panels effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.